Hey there guys, what's going on? Hey, it's Josh Cantwell. Welcome to 52 Lake. I am excited to have you inside of one of our brand new buildings that we just bought. Now, let me tell you a little bit about how we acquired the building and what we paid for it. This building we actually bought for $2.7 million, and we actually paid a wholesaler over $300,000 in an assignment fee. We bought this building from a former real estate attorney, and our plan now is to do our value add improvements. We're gonna put about $250,000 of improvements into the building. We took a $90,000 or a 3% acquisition fee when we bought it, and we're gonna be all into this thing for about 3.5 million when we're done with our CapEx plan. Once we're done with that, we lease all the units out at our pro forma for rent. The building will be worth about $5.2 million, leaving us about 1.7 to 1.8 million of equity. So just in 2 short years, we're gonna be able to generate and create almost $2 million of profits and equity. So we're really excited about that. We also, when we did the underwrite, we underwrote this deal with our lender who confirmed that properties in this area will kind of appraise for about $100,000 to $110,000 a door. So we underwrote the deal 2 or 3 different ways to come up with that $5.2 million valuation. 52 Lake sits in the Edgewater, Gold Coast area of Cleveland. This is one of the prime rental markets for apartment buildings. It's just 2 or 3 blocks from the water, and this is an area where millennials, young professionals, keep coming so they can live close to the city and close to all of the walking amenities in this area. The first thing we're gonna do is the exteriors. We're gonna power wash the entire outside of the building. We're gonna completely redo all the landscaping and the pavers and the signage in the front of the building. We're also gonna be completely redoing the courtyard with pavers, picnic tables, pavilions, stone and benches to add some amenities for all the residents. The rest of our CapEx plan includes redoing all the common spaces, painting them in an all fresh new white with the white trim and gray paint to make it very modern. This building is nearly 80 years old, so we want to update all the feel and the look when you walk into the common spaces. Then of course, we're going to be updating the units themselves. Now, as you see the unit that I'm standing in, this unit has already been turned. There's brand new light fixtures, there's brand new flooring, brand new trim, brand new paint, an entirely brand new kitchen, all the new cabinets, all the countertops, granite countertops, new appliances. So we're gonna take about half of the units and completely renovate those units and turn those into brand new. The other half of the units, we're gonna do what we call make-readies. We're gonna invest about $2,000 to $3,000 in those with new paint, new fixtures, new ceiling fans, in some of those units, new flooring. We're gonna keep the cabinets, paint the cabinets, and update them with new hardware. So about 2 years from now, every single one of these units will be completely updated and we'll be able to increase the rents. And that's one of the reasons why we love this building. Currently, the blended average of all the rents is about $685. Those are sitting at about $300 below what we'll be able to achieve when all the units are turned and all the units are upgraded, and 2 years of inflation and property values just going up. We're gonna be able to get almost $1,000 a month in rent per unit. That's gonna help us achieve that $5.2 million valuation. Now on top of that, we're gonna do a couple of extra things just to really harden the building. Number 1, we're gonna completely waterproof the boiler rooms. We've got 2 almost brand new boilers. We're gonna completely waterproof those boiler rooms to make sure that those boilers last a long, long time. We're also gonna go in the garage and we're gonna completely power wash, clean out, and seal and stripe the garage so that we can raise all of the parking space rents. The current rents are sitting at about $50 per parking space. We're gonna raise those up to about $100 per parking space. The last thing that we did was we hired third-party management. This building was managed like a mom and pop building for a long, long time. And we brought in professional third-party management to basically partner with us to manage leasing, lease terminations, move-outs, kick-outs, evictions, and leasing up the units, as well as handling all of our maintenance and trouble tickets. When we're all done with 52 Lake, this property is gonna comp out at about $5.2 million, and it's gonna be one of the absolute best properties in the Gold Coast, Edgewater area of Cleveland. So to get more information about how to invest in apartments, how to buy and operate apartments, how to create forever passive income, and ultimately be financially free, go ahead and go to joshcantwellcoaching.com. There you can apply to be part of our Forever Passive Income Coaching Program and Mastermind. There's nothing to buy there. You must qualify through an interview process. You see, I don't want to be anybody's guru, but what I do want to do is work with motivated investors that want to level up to apartments, that want to be in a mastermind group with other professionals and network with them, and help people and partner with them to do more deals. So if leveling up to apartments, masterminding with other apartment professionals, and also partnering with me and our other members, if that sounds interesting to you, go visit joshcantwellcoaching.com and submit your application.